Hello, so in this video we're going to think about water availability for the mountain pygmy possums. As mountain pygmy possums move about below the boulder fields and low-growing shrubs and heath, water availability within these fields is very important. Okay, so just remembering with your map, if you are returning to initial view, that'll look like this. Okay. You need to select the layers list so you can see these items up the side, and in the case for the boulder fields you want to select boulder fields. Okay, and this time also you open the plus arrow up and select water courses and bogs and fens. Alright, then you need to select bookmark location and go to Charlotte's Pass boulder fields, and hopefully your map will look like this and you should be ready to start the water availability table in part 2 for task 1. Okay, so you have to review each of the 8 boulder fields, and if you want to score a 1 next to any field that has a river flowing through it and or is immediately adjacent to an area of alpine bog or a fen. Okay, so number 1. So if you just basically have a quick look over your map, you can see, so let's just look at A first, that's not immediately adjacent to, okay, no river flowing through it, so you can't locate that as a 1. Alright, let's have a look at B. Alright, so there's adjacent to a bog and fen, okay, the blue, and a creek. So B would be a number 1, ranked as a 1. Alright, let's look at C. Charlotte's Pass C there. Okay, it's adjacent to a bog or a fen. Alright, and a D. Okay, at D, it's again adjacent to a bog or fen, so it's number 1. E, not adjacent to a bog or fen, so you don't number that one yet. F, again, not adjacent to a bog or fen, so you don't put a number there yet. G, yes, adjacent to a bog or fen. And H, I've lost H, oh, down here, it's on a stream, a creek, so it is a number 1. Okay, so they're the easy ones done. So then the next part is to identify the remainder. Okay, and to score a 2, you need to have it next to any field that has water within 75 metres of the boundary, or to score a 3, next to any field that has water further than 75 metres from the boundary. Okay, so for this activity you're actually going to have to use the measurement tool. Alright, so go up here on your map and click measurement. Alright, and then we'll start with A. So you have to click or tap, draw a measurement line. Double click, tap to finish. So you just come over here and you find the closest spot between the site A and the creek or the bog and fen, the closest location. Click it. Alright, click. And then double click to finish. And that tells you that's 54.66 metres. So that's under 75 metres. Okay, less than within 75 metres. So in the case of A, you would score that as a 2. Alright, now the next one that you have to do is E, so find site E. Alright, and again finding the closest place from the boulder field to the water supply, clicking your mouse and measuring your distance. Double click to finish. So in the case of E, a total is 97.3 metres. So that means it's further than 75 metres. So in E, you should rate it as a 3. Alright, and the last one, F, I will let you work that one out for yourself, just to make sure that you can get this right. Okay, so good luck with that, and I hope it goes well. Contact your teacher if you have any questions.